Welcome to yet another unboxing video here on my channel. This is Andy in Singapore and we have this Orient Star limited edition here ready to be unboxed by me. This is a watch on loan from our boutique, and let me just quickly flip open the retail boxes here to see what we've got inside here. Alright, so we've got an inner box here, which is pretty much the faux leather type of packaging. Let me just flip this one open. Ta-da! So this is the latest Orient Star flagship model. Alright, I believe the model is some sort of a mother of pearl dial kind of design. Alright, let's have a look at the reference number of this watch. RE-AY0116A. It's got a list price of about 2,400 Singapore dollars, and this watch was launched just a few months back, and of course, being the flagship model of the Orient Star series, this one here, I think Orient has gone all out. So in terms of specifications, I think this one here has got almost everything. It's got really nice polishing here on the case and bracelet, and even the movement here is nicely decorated. You can see all the stripes on the rotor and all that. So of course, the highlight of this watch would be this dial here, alright, which is mother of pearl, and you can really see it under the light play. I think just fantastic. Okay, really looks like a very expensive and higher end type of Orient Star. And now, with all the packaging out of the way, let's have a closer look at the Orient Star Mother of Pearl limited edition. So plenty of things going on in this watch. We've got power reserve, we've got moon phase, we've also got this pointer date here. So let us just quickly go and do a handset alignment check. I'm going to shoot for 9 o'clock. Alright, looks pretty good. Let's see if 12 o'clock here is good. Alright, I think no problems at all. The crown action here feels really good. Everything here is very smooth. And do bear in mind that this watch here has no screw-in crown, but I think it's got a very decent water resistance of around 50 to 100 meters, so not an issue at all. Despite this being a dress watch, still has got enough water resistance on this one. It's also got a really nice side crown here, and the grip here is really good, as is the winding action over here. Okay, so really feels like a more premium design here. And here's a really quick wrist shot of the watch on my wrist. Alright, for some reason this watch came to me sized already, alright, and it fits my wrist really well, so I'm really liking this fit over here. Okay, although I think there should be a little bit more taper here on the bracelet, but I think it's not a problem at all. This watch here is around 40 to 41 millimeters case size, and I think it is more or less pushing the limits here on my less than average size wrist. But I think because of the relatively short L to L measurement, and we've got these curves here at the lux, alright, so pretty aggressive curve down here at the lux, I think overall wearability is still very good. And overall, I think this brushing here on the bracelet is really nicely done. Okay, wow. Alright, let me just spend some time with this watch and I'll come back with a more detailed full review on this Orient Star Moon Phase Limited Edition. See you next week. This is Andy in Singapore. Bye.